Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a brand new video. And today we are gonna prank the cat with this plastic snake. She is hiding. Wait. Ginger, come here. Come on. Come on. Come here, girl. Okay, we're gonna have to go in with it. It's the only choice. Gotta hide it behind my back. Okay, guys, I got the toy snake behind my back. Watch. Granny, you gotta watch this. Ready? Set. Oh! What is it? What is it, Ginger? Oh my. It's a moving Ginger, don't let it get you. Oh, this is funny. Ginger, where'd you go? I have tamed a snake. Okay. Okay. Gotta get this blanket here. Granny, will you be the camera person for me? It'll make sure that you don't get in it. You pretty much just have to keep it pointing at me. And if I point at Ginger...
Is it on now?
Yeah, point it over here. Okay, so
It's
now...
recording?
Yeah, we are going to be setting up a trap. Okay? Hey, Ginger, what's up? So she's going to think this is a real snake, but it's not. Okay, ready? Set. You got to keep it on her. You've got to know when to be it on me. If I say ready, set, that means get it on her. Ready? No zooming in. Don't zoom. You know what? Yeah, you can zoom in, but remember to zoom back out. Okay, we're about to freak out a cat. 3, 2, 1.